So, this is DeSHANTA B, and I want to know, would you guys be interested in learning how to make these Old Bay seasoned air fryer wings my way? If yes, then I need you to do me a favor. Drop me a line in the comment section, or better yet, thumbs up this snippet. And I promise you, I will make you a before payday meal, beginner friendly, detailed step-by-step video on how to make these Old Bay seasoned air fryer crispy, quick cooking wings my way. So do me a favor and just think about it, okay? This is DeSHANTA B, and you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Let's do a little bit of kibitzing and stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.